MDC Gita Debbarma visited Ward number 4 under the South Radhapur Village Committee today to personally inspect the ongoing widening work of a crucial link road. The infrastructure project connects the main PWD road at Bhagaban Choudhury Para directly to Longmahati. For several decades, the residents of Bhagaban Choudhury Para and Longmahati face immense hardships due to the dilapidated and extremely narrow condition of this vital stretch. The restricted pathway severely hampered the movement of local vehicles, caused massive pedestrian distress, and routinely delayed emergency medical access for village elders and children. Responding to these long-standing grievances, structural expansion and road widening operations were recently sanctioned and launched in full swing. To ensure the construction meets strict quality layouts and progress parameters, MDC Gita Debbarma conducted an extensive on-site inspection.
South Radhapur Village Committee, Bhagaban Choudhury Para. Jaga PWD road, main road theke yang Longmahati pamani, yang around 30 families motor borok tongobor belai cost ke yang pilai tongmani. Engkai boroni request no narige, jaga kita lamang ni tongo, lamang no visit kena family. Engkai obo klanya nangi tong immediate ne on priority basis o samung khaja ni tong khaji. Obo MDC fund by khaja nai. Engkai MDC fund by tongo, the fund to ta continue allocating ko hai kano advance borok ko samuno khai tong karon tau watible humnan kito lama krisa gabon bage jeng tabu obo sanata engkai jek khai tomaino mane rang suria ko bohain khai regra nai hai tei ko atiko khai lai to baki obo Bhagaban Choudhury Para ni main road PWD to jeng yak rime ya kebang ma road tongo jaga hamia road kebai kici engkai kisa micha repairing khlaina musung khana o PWD road engkai jengabo khlaimia abo ke bong ni yago engkai abon bagi o main road theke yango jeng Longmahati thamonabo Chini ngo prai 30 family hai mato tongo boroni subidan bagi o lamangi.
Local residents expressed immense relief and gratitude over the ongoing work, noting that the expanded road will significantly boost the local agrarian economy by easing the transport of fresh farm produce to nearby markets. Reporter Biplov from Radhapur, Chini Khorang.